Welcome back, guys, to this new tutorial for Deeponion Macintosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to import a Deeponion paper wallet on your desktop wallet. So first of all, I sent over on the paper wallet we have created on the previous tutorial a few faucets. First of all, I'm gonna see if the transaction inside this wallet has already happened, so I can copy this public address and go to prohashing.com Explorer. I'm gonna select Deeponion. Here we go. And copy my address here. So in this way, it's gonna load it. Of course, there is a space here. Okay, so here we go. We can see the faucet has been delivered. Even if we don't have a desktop wallet, we can see the transaction that are inside our paper wallet. So this method is useful when you don't have online wallet but only a offline wallet like paper wallet. So after we verify that inside our wallet there are some value, let's bring the paper wallet, in this case, inside our active online wallet. Make sure it's not locked, and we can see here by unlock it. So uncheck the foreign staking and insert your passphrase. Now that is unlocked, go to help, debug window, and here insert write import priv key followed by the private key of your paper wallet. So we can now copy that, Command C, and paste it here. Make sure remember to remove there is no space. So by copying it, copy selection created, it copy also by default here, and just click enter, and that's it. The terminal with this command say that it's okay, that it transfer your paper wallet inside your wallet. So as you can see here, we have imported the faucet we have seen on the Explorer. Now we have correctly imported our paper wallet in an online wallet. The next time you transfer any coin on this public address, go into this paper wallet that is actually linked to the desktop wallet. So you can always use this public address or another address, because any wallet can support more than one address. So you can create new address by label new address here, and the wallet provide another public address, as you can see here. So every address that we insert is linked in this wallet. I hope you find this useful, and see you in the next tutorial, buddy.